thanks to these electronic scooters here in Calgary, it's a lot easier to get anywhere you need to go. I want to head to Chinatown to check it out, so let's do that. All we gotta do is open the app, quick scan ride. Yep, I got it. I know what to do already. Scan the QR code. Where is it? There we go. Single rider. And we're good to go. So while riding my e-scooter down towards Chinatown, I found this. I believe it's called Alice. It's a piece of artwork here in Calgary, real famous. That's amazing. Look at that. Wow, that is so cool, and you can walk through it. I'm not gonna do it because security just came to tell me you can't ride your e-scooter up here, so I got in big trouble. But it's neat. I think it's called the Alice. I'll look up the real name. I saw it earlier. I can't remember. You know me, I'm suckish at names. Look at that clock tower over there. It's a tiny little one. Looks like it should have been on the top of a building. Maybe they took it off. Who knows? Real pretty though. As you can see by us waiting here at the traffic light, everybody rides these nowadays. We've made it to what is the Calgary version of Chinatown. Old Chinese style buildings here. It's supposed to be like a whole block, so I'm gonna keep driving on and explore the rest of it. See if there's any more to show you guys. Stay tuned. So there's an elderly Asian lady back there. She's doesn't speak no English, but she's selling clothes. She got really big clothes, so I got myself this giant pants for $5. Come in handy for swimming or just hanging out when it's hot. We got the Silver Dragon restaurant over there, more of Chinatown. You see that's all Asian inspired. Let's continue on and see what more can we find. Some cool little stone lions or lion dragons, whatever they're supposed to be. This is the Opulence Center. I'm not really sure what that is. There's a HSBC there, so there's a bank underneath. Not sure, maybe it's like a little shopping center. Who knows? Let's continue exploring Calgary's Chinatown. So it turns out I was right. It is a mall. I was at the back end. This is the front end here. A Dragon City Mall. Sorry. There's a lot of sun there. Let me get a little closer to avoid the sun. Get it behind the skyscraper. Here we go. Dragon City Mall. That's what it is. We're on the back end. This is the front. I went around the whole block. Looks like it's just one tiny block. It's not as old as Chinatown in Vancouver. You have, like in Vancouver, there's a whole bunch of Asian stores selling Asian herbs and Asian groceries, Asian vegetables, etc. Now here it's a little more modern. Let's see what else we can explore in Calgary. Just a little ways off from the Chinatown area, found this cool sculpture. Look at that. Wow, that's neat. We keep on touring. We keep on seeing what we can find. It isn't really art or anything, but I just had to stop for this. I don't know if it's real or not. It says vote hallelujah for mayor. Hallelujah.news. Or there's some dude named Hallelujah, or maybe that's his last name. I don't know. He's running for mayor of Calgary. I really gotta look this up online. That's so funny. Weird name. Says a guy named Wolf. We managed to find some more art here. Looks like some giant alien spiders or something. I don't know what they are. And this is the Avatamska Sageli Monastery. Avatamska Sageli Monastery. Let me know how it's pronounced in the comments. Real cool looking. This is so much fun exploring by e-scooter. But I think that's about it for today. I'll see if I find anything else. cruise around a little more. If not, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and see you on the next adventure.